So now we're going to review the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, NZD USD. This is weekly time frame. As we can see, the market is in a downtrend. Now we know when the market is doing lower high, lower low, then it's in a downtrend. So the market's been in a downtrend since basically it looked like since 2021. So this is the weekly time frame. As you can see, the market did this, come down, up, and down. So, and the market is in a way like this. So, as we can see, that's the lowest low that the market did before push up all the way here to almost the same high as this high. And then it's make a low that is higher than this low. And it start making high that's lower than the last high. So the market's still in a downtrend. That's what we want to see. In the weekly time frame, we're still in a downtrend, and the market closed above a weekly resistance right here. And let's go down to the daily time frame, see what we see. All right, daily time frame. You can see the market also is in a downtrend. You can see that. That's an ugly downtrend, but it is in a downtrend. Okay, so if we look at that, let's remove this so we can do a better analysis. So price is looking down as well. It's in a bearish trend or downtrend, as you can see. And let's see what the market did. From that point, highest point right here, the market's went down, it went up, down, the same low as this low, but it's a lower high. It's make a high that is higher. You would think the market might be reversed to go higher. Then it's make a low that is lower than this two low. And it's continue to make a high that is higher than this high. And the market drop all the way down for a low that is lower than this low. So the market is making lower lows and it never make a higher high. So we still in that downtrend. So this is what we understand. And in daily time frame, price when it get to here, it's switched to go this way. So what we are looking at the market right now, we see that the market come to this to test this daily resistance right here, and it touch it, and it goes close to close right here. So price close here last week of September. You can see this is the last week, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and the Friday price close above that EMA right here. So what we expect price to do, price might do this, come back to test this before either going back here again, or price might continue to go down lower like this, because remember, it's in a downtrend. That's what an important thing to remember. In the daily time frame, price still also in a downtrend. Okay, so price might do this, or price might also do this, come test this to go here, and then price can do this in the following week, come back here for a lower, to touch this before going down to touch that, and then even to come back to that week, there's a weekly support right here. So most likely price will at some point will get to it if it will continue to go down. Can price do the opposite? Of course price can. Price can do this. While we are looking at this, price might do this, go touch this weekly resistance right here, come back to this daily, touch it, and then from here, price might do this, meet that resistance right here. You can see there's a resistance right here. Price can do this again. Price can do this and come down lower, as low as was here, and then touch this to come back like this again. Price might do that. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what we can see, because this is where we gonna take trade as traders. It's good to look at the 4-hour time frame, lower time frame, to see what confirmation we have, so we can do what we need to do. So in the 4-hour time frame, price look like it is in a small uptrend. Why we say that? This is why. Price come down as low as here, go up, come down, come back to do a high, come back to test here again, the same high, the same low right here, and it's do a high that's higher than these highs right here. So in price drop down again, come test this 4-hour support, come back, make a high that is the same as this high, come back, we see here, it's make a lower high that is, a higher high that is higher than this high, and then go back to make a high that is higher than this high right here, and price it's in its way down. So in the 4-hour time frame, if you were trading in the 4-hour time frame, you could have taken a bunch of trade. When price come down here, because this is a 4-hour support that been tested, you could have taken a trade to go up here. And then when it's come back again here, it's been respected. That's a good way. You see, there's one confirmation, bullish engulfing. There's another bullish engulfing right here. You can ride it all the way to here or up here. So when you get here, most likely, as you can see, if we go to a lower time frame, we might see some confirmation right here. But if you didn't take any trade here, when price come down again to test here, that support here, you could have get it again, because it stopped here last time, but it's gonna test. See, it's been tested. Come back to push up again. There's a lot of buyers here to push it up. When we get here, you can see there's a 3 candlestick confirmation right here. You could have taken again a sell right here to somewhere over here where the EMAs are to go up. When we go here, you can see price rejected at this resistance to give you a candlestick that telling you, hey, price is rejected. If price come up, touch it again, you could have buy it, sell it to go lower. So if we go to the 1-hour time frame, and you can see there's more confirmation. That's why we put those little circle there. You can see 1-hour time frame. There is a lot of confirmation. You could have take buy and keep going up with the market. And then when it get here, this is a triple in the 1-hour time frame. It give you a triple candlestick confirmation. If you didn't join here, price go up here, you could have joined right here for down to take your profit somewhere around here. So if we are helping you with those analysis, join the channel, share it, subscribe to the channel, so we can, when we have new videos every weekend, we do analysis, and so you can see what you missed last week and what to expect for the week coming up, which is the first week of October is coming up. So that's why we're doing this. Also, if you want to take your trade seriously, I know I went through Explosion Trading Academy to learn this. You can give them a look. It's www.eta25pips.com. Check them out to see if they can help you to do this and to become a profitable and consistent trader.